Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable push notifications on Binance. So I just logged into my Binance account officially. Now I will be moved in the top left corner bottom is homepage of Binance. So after you will just tap on the top right corner of you will see is the gear icon. So just tap on it on the top right corner. So after again tap on it top right corner of icon. So after inside you will be see the option in settings journal notification preference. So just tab on it, and after inside this option you will see the device permissions. So you will just tab on this red icon of disabled to enabled. So just turn on allow notifications. So now your push notifications on Binance it's on. So you will just go back to your app and it will be enabled. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.